Join me as I dive into the mind-blowing ancient Indian secrets of DNA and RNA and see if I can uncover their mysteries. DNA and RNA, the building blocks of life, hold many secrets, but what if I told you that ancient Indian practices may have a hidden connection to these biological components? Many of us tend to think of genetics as a modern science, but what if our understanding of DNA and RNA is incomplete? What if ancient wisdom holds the keys to unlocking the true mysteries of our genetic code? You see, most people believe that genetics is a hard science, set in stone, with no room for debate or alternative perspectives. But what if I told you that there are gaping holes in our current understanding of genetics, holes that ancient Indian wisdom might just be able to fill? Our textbooks would have us believe that the discovery of DNA and RNA is a relatively recent phenomenon, but is that really the case? One of the most significant misconceptions about genetics is that it's solely focused on the physical aspects of our bodies. But what about the role of consciousness, of energy, of the spiritual? These are questions that ancient Indian wisdom has been grappling with for centuries. And what if I told you that the answers to these questions might just be hiding in plain sight, encoded in the ancient texts and practices of India? In ancient India, there existed a sophisticated understanding of the human body and its connection to the natural world. Ayurveda, the traditional Indian system of medicine, is a perfect example of this. By studying the intricate balance of the three doshas, Vata, Pitta and Kapha, Ayurvedic practitioners gained insight into the subtle workings of the human body. But what if I told you that this ancient wisdom wasn't just limited to physical health, but also encompassed the mysteries of DNA and RNA? In the ancient Indian text, the Rig Veda, there are references to the concept of prana, or life force, which bears an uncanny resemblance to the modern understanding of DNA and RNA. And what about the concept of darshan, or spiritual insight, which speaks to the idea that our consciousness has a direct impact on our physical reality? These are ideas that have been explored in depth by ancient Indian sages and seers, and yet, we're only just beginning to scratch the surface of their significance. One of the most remarkable connections between ancient Indian wisdom and modern genetics is the concept of epigenetics. Epigenetics is the study of how environmental factors and consciousness can affect gene expression, essentially rewriting the code of our DNA. And what if I told you that ancient Indian practices like yoga and meditation have been shown to have a direct impact on our epigenetic landscape? This is a connection that has profound implications for our understanding of the human body and its connection to the natural world. Imagine if I told you that the ancient Indian practice of pranayama, or breath control, has been shown to alter gene expression in the human body. This is no longer the realm of speculation, but hard science. Studies have shown that pranayama can alter the expression of genes involved in stress response, immunity, and even cancer prevention. This is a secret that has been hiding in plain sight, a connection between ancient Indian wisdom and modern genetics that has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the human body. The connections we've made today between ancient Indian wisdom and modern genetics are nothing short of mind-blowing. We've seen how Ayurveda and spiritual practices have referenced concepts akin to DNA and RNA, and we've explored the remarkable connections between epigenetics and ancient Indian practices like yoga and meditation. These are connections that underscore the importance of integrating ancient wisdom with modern science if we truly want to unlock the secrets of the human body. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the mind-blowing ancient Indian secrets of DNA and RNA. What do you think? Are you surprised by the connections we've made today? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my related videos for more intriguing insights into the mysteries of ancient India.